Microsoft is shaking up gaming again, testing a free, ad-supported Xbox Cloud gaming tier. No Game Pass subscription needed, just watch a few ads and play. The goal? Make Xbox games accessible to anyone, anywhere, even without a console or gaming PC. Internal tests are underway on PCs, consoles, handhelds, and web browsers. A public test and full launch are coming soon. Microsoft's careful rollout aims to ensure stability and a smooth ad experience. By offering free access, Microsoft hopes to attract new users who might later upgrade or buy content. It's the freemium model, now for cloud gaming. This could massively expand Xbox's reach, turning any device into a potential gaming platform. The move signals a shift from selling hardware to building a vast, interconnected gaming ecosystem. Microsoft wants to welcome everyone, hardcore gamers and newcomers alike, into the Xbox world. The free tier is just the start of a bigger vision. The future of gaming is about access, not just ownership. So, how does free Xbox Cloud gaming work? Before playing, you'll watch about 2 minutes of ads, just like YouTube. Each session lasts up to an hour, with a monthly cap of 5 free hours. These limits give you a taste, but encourage upgrades for more serious play. Microsoft is testing these numbers, and may adjust based on feedback. The balance: keep it appealing for players, profitable for advertisers. Casual gamers might be satisfied with the free tier. But if you get hooked on a game, you'll hit the cap fast. At that point, you can wait for your hours to reset or subscribe to Game Pass for unlimited play. It's a clever funnel. Let the games sell the subscription. The model is simple: free for casuals, paid for enthusiasts. Microsoft is betting this will grow their user base and drive conversions. The final rules may change, but the strategy is clear. The free tier arrives as Game Pass Ultimate gets a price hike, from $19.99 to $29.99 a month. New members pay more starting October 2025. Existing subscribers see the increase in November. To justify the cost, Microsoft promises 75 day-one game releases a year, and adds perks like Fortnite Crew and Ubisoft Plus Classics. Cloud gaming is now out of beta with better streaming quality. However, some perks, like the 10% DLC discount, have been cut. Microsoft's strategy: make the premium tier more valuable, but also more expensive. Now, gamers can choose: pay for the full experience, or try Xbox for free, with some limits. This dual approach targets both hardcore fans and newcomers. Microsoft is reshaping its offerings to fit every budget. The Xbox ecosystem is becoming more flexible than ever. Not everyone loves the subscription model. Some developers worry it could devalue games and hurt funding for big projects. Even industry insiders like Rafael Colantonio and Pete Hines have voiced concerns. Still, Game Pass pulled in nearly $5 billion in 2025, thanks to major releases like Oblivion Remastered and Doom: The Dark Ages. Microsoft has also raised console prices, citing higher costs across the board. The company is expanding into handhelds, with the ROG Xbox Ally X priced at $999 and the standard Ally at $599. These devices are built for gaming on the go, natively or via the cloud. Microsoft's bet: Xbox should be playable anywhere, on any device. The combination of new hardware and a free cloud tier shows a bold vision for the future. It's a risky, industry-shaping move. All eyes are on Microsoft to see if this gamble pays off. For gamers, free Xbox Cloud gaming could be a game changer. No console or high-end PC needed, just a device and internet connection. This opens up gaming to millions who couldn't afford it before, especially in new markets. For existing users, the price hike stings, but more games and perks may soften the blow. The choice is clear: pay for premium or play for free with limits. Microsoft's move pressures Sony and Nintendo to respond. The industry may shift faster towards streaming and subscriptions. More access, more choice, but also new questions about game value and sustainability. Microsoft is building a platform for everyone, not just traditional gamers. The future of gaming is changing, and Microsoft is leading the charge.